2025, as India talks about digital Grameen Bharat, 17 out of 28 regional rural banks, including those in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, and Tamil Nadu, still function without independent branch-level Indian financial system codes. That means thousands of branches across India are still digitally linked, not to the Reserve Bank of India directly, but to their sponsor banks. And that small detail changes everything. Nearly 5 decades after their inception, regional rural banks remain the backbone of India's rural credit system. They've empowered farmers, small traders, and rural entrepreneurs. But in the digital era, where money moves in seconds, some RRB customers still wait for days. Unlike public or commercial banks, where each branch has its own IFSC code for National Electronic Funds Transfer or real-time gross settlement transactions, most RRBs operate as sub-members under sponsor banks. So every digital transfer, even between two RRB branches, first passes through the sponsor bank system. As RBI Secretary General S. Venkateshwar Reddy explains,
take Uttar Pradesh Gramin Bank for example. With over 4,000 branches, it still operates under a single IFSC code. Every transaction goes through the sponsor bank. If branches had their own codes, settlements would go directly through the RBI.
In short, RRBs remain digitally dependent even after 5 decades of service. These 17 banks together operate thousands of branches, yet most of them share just one IFSC code. That's not just a technical issue. It's a trust issue for rural customers. An employee from West Bengal Gramin Bank told Kanal,
for our 930 branches, using one IFSC code means longer settlement times and delayed refunds. Customers keep comparing us to commercial banks, but we simply can't match that speed.
In Tamil Nadu Grama Bank, the situation is no different. Anto Gilbert, an employee, says,
if each branch had its own IFSC code, transactions would be smoother. But since we depend on our sponsor bank, they're both our competitors and our masters.
For customers, the frustration is real. A vegetable trader from Bihar told Kanal,
I transferred money from my Grameen Bank account. It took 2 days to reflect. My supplier lost trust. Grameen banks should upgrade.
The IFSC issue is just one symptom of a larger problem. Many RRBs struggle with outdated core banking systems, poor internet connectivity, and frequent service disruptions. In some branches, NEFT, RTGS, or mobile banking remains unavailable for days. As a result, young rural customers, the next generation, are moving their accounts to private or public sector banks. For RRBs, that's a loss of trust, business, and future growth. Experts believe digital autonomy is no longer optional. Branch-level IFSC codes allow for better monitoring, fraud detection, and faster settlements, all essential in today's high-volume digital economy. A senior officer of Karnataka Gramina Bank told Kanal,
RRBs have grown in size and business, but their digital backbone is still tied to sponsor banks. If the government envisions digital Grameen Bharat, RRBs must be digitally empowered, starting with branch-level IFSC codes.
The All India Regional Rural Bank Employees Association has appealed to the Ministry of Finance to fix this long-pending issue. Their proposal is simple: a common software platform, a central server, and unique IFSC codes for every branch. If NABARD or a central agency manages this upgrade, RRBs can finally provide faster, more reliable digital banking, bringing rural customers on par with urban ones. The government's One State, One RRB policy aimed to simplify structure and improve efficiency. But the real reform lies in digital independence. Will NABARD and the Ministry of Finance mandate unique IFSC codes for every branch? Can RRBs be given direct membership in NEFT and RTGS systems? And most importantly, when will rural customers enjoy the same real-time convenience that city banks already offer? As RRBs celebrate 50 years of service to rural India, their next milestone must be digital autonomy. Because for millions of customers, every delayed transaction isn't just a system lag, it's a symbol of inequality. If you believe every customer, rural or urban, deserves equal access to real-time banking, share this video and raise awareness.
Stay tuned on Canal for exclusive coverage of the RRB and everything you need to know.